Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, this is your reading book, Phonic Reader Book 2. And today I am going to teach you page number 33. Now open the page number 33. Children, today we will read about sh words. In the first, we read those words which begin with sh, and in the end we will read those words which end with sh. Now let's start our work. ship, 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 shop, 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 shot, short, shot, short, shut, 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 shed, shade, shed, shade, sheep, sheep. You can read like this: sheep, 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 shift, 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 shelf, 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 short, short, short. Children, all those words are starts from sh. Now children, we will read those words which ends with sh. Now read with me: fish, 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 dish, 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 wish, wish, rush, rush, brush, brush, crush, crush, fresh, fresh, cash, cash, smash, smash. I hope children you will understand that how we read the sh words. Read this page again and again at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.